Everything you need to know about Honda ADV 350 Updates 2027. Key updates for 2027. Honda has introduced several quality of life and aesthetic updates. New tech. A new 5-inch TFT color display replaces the older monochrome Honda RoadSync for smartphone connectivity navigation. Calls. Music via a new 4-way toggle switch on the handlebar. Enhanced tech and display. 2027 model will feature the premium electronics suite. Introduced in the 2026 refresh. 5-inch full-color TFT replacing the older LCD. This screen offers high visibility in direct sunlight. Performance and engine Euro 5 ready. The engine was recently refined to meet the strict Euro 5 Plus emissions standards, which will remain the benchmark for 2027. Engine 330cc SP Plus Enhanced Smart Power Plus SOHC 4-valve single-cylinder. Power, approximately 29 horsepower, 21.5 kilowatts at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Efficiency, improved ECU settings and a revised muffler catalyzer design for cleaner operation without sacrificing the 30 km LWMTC fuel economy.